We're here today at 7 Skua Place in Mountain Creek. 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. We've got a double lock-up garage, solar hot water. Now before we go inside and take a look, we'll just show you over into the backyard. Fully fenced yard. Let's come inside and take a look. Now as we first enter, you do have a separate living area here. Ceiling fan. With an air conditioning unit positioned perfectly to blow throughout the house. As we come through here, you've got your double lock-up garage, internal access, which does have access out to a clothesline. Coming on through that, you do have your laundry with additional cupboards and shelving there for storage. Separate powder room through to your main bathroom. Bringing us through here, you do have your kitchen, electric oven and cooktop, stainless steel dishwasher, which brings us in. You do have storage in your cupboards here. Spare bedroom with built-in robe. Dining area with ceiling fan. Bedroom number 2 also has a built-in robe. And then we have the master here. So it does have air conditioning, which leads through to your walk-in robe and on through to your ensuite. Now off the main bedroom, you do have access out to your undercovered entertaining area with a ceiling fan overlooking the yard. So that completes the tour of 7 Skua Place in Mountain Creek.